Hello, this is Miss Bethann. Welcome to Artists at Work, Handprint Doodle Art. Now, I love this art just because it's just so fun and relaxing, and it's very simple to do, and I think you will really enjoy it if you like to draw. So we're going to begin. This is what the final product looks like. We're going to need a pair of scissors, glue stick, a black marker, and 2 pieces of paper. And you can see I tried to choose contrasting colors. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to draw our handprint. And excuse my nails, as you can see I haven't done my nails for a while. So we're going to begin, and we're just going to draw a handprint. There you go. And then we're going to cut it out. You just go ahead and cut on the black line. Now, to save time, I actually already did cut one out ahead of time for you. So it looks like this. And we're going to glue it onto our other sheet of paper. We're going to turn it over and just glue it down. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our marker and we're going to draw 4 lines across. Just 1, 2, and it doesn't matter how you do these lines. 3, 4, and you can go for the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically you have lines going everywhere. Now, if you notice for some reason my fingers didn't glue all the way, and we definitely want them to be glued down all the way. Okay? And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to just outline our handprint. And hopefully did a little better job than I did. Just kind of rush through here. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we are just going to doodle. And every time there is an empty spot, you're going to doodle something different. So let's start off by any kind of doodle is fine. You can look what I did here, but you want a variety. None of my doodles are exactly the same, so you want a variety of doodles, and you can do however you want. So let's say we'll start off here, just doing circles with a dot in the middle. And the best part about this art that I really enjoy is that it's very relaxing. And it's just extremely fun to me. And I like coming up with different doodles. Or different ideas of doodling, I guess I should say. Now you notice I'm just doodling inside that area, and I happen to pick a very large area. And then as soon as I finish filling up this area here, I am going to move on with a different design. Because remember, each area should have its very own unique design. So now let's go on to maybe right here. And you can do whatever you want. You can maybe and maybe this time do the designs. So the best part about this is you can't make a mistake, and you can do whatever you want because it's your project. Okay, and let's do a little spot up here. You can bounce around too. You don't have to do all the same spots. Or excuse me, you can bounce around. You don't have to start and just keep going side by side. You can jump around and then come back to certain areas. That's fine too. And let's try this one. And now we're going to go to a different area, so we're going to do a different design here. Now this is, again, is a larger design. So again, I have to come up with a different design each time. And then I will continue doing this pattern. Sorry if I shook the camera a little bit. And this is in the same, so we're going to continue doing it. So And again, you can do whatever you want. Just always make sure to, every time you change to a different area, you're going to change designs. And you want to make sure you keep working on that same area so you don't get confused before you go to a different spot here. And this one's just kind of, it's not perfect, and that's okay. And again, I can do it however I want to because it's my art, so I just like to do different. There's nothing special about what I'm doing, and it's not perfect, but that's okay. And just do a couple more here just to finish it up. Now see, we have a different spot here, so we're going to have to do something different there. So again, I just have fun. Right, and after I fill this out, I'm going to show you something else, and then I'm going to let you kind of finish up on your own. Okay, so there you go. Now, just kind of did it silly. You can do however you want. Now, when you're done, you will have the whole thing filled up so it looks like this. And it does look pretty cool. I just did another one here that I was working on before for fun. And again, it's got different designs. Each one of them have very different designs. But this is another one and how it looks. So as you can see, they're all very different. But I want you just to relax when you do this, enjoy, and just have fun. Until next time, bye-bye.